Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Unang step para mas mapatagal ang inyong pagsasama. Love, you have to practice forgiveness. Madaming couples kasi ngayon ang easily distracted by everything that they can do dahil sa inability nila of physically being together and spending time with one another. This situation makes it also difficult for them to talk through their differences. Sa ganitong sitwasyon, lawak ng pag-intindi, pangunawa at kapatawaran ang dapat mas nangingibabaw sa relasyon. Tandaan mo, yung partner mo ay hindi perfect and they will never be perfect. They will make mistakes and you should be able to forgive them if forgiveness is due. Huwag mo nang bigyan ng puwang yung puot, pagbibilang, sama ng loob, dyan sa puso mo. Kung simpleng bagay lang naman yan at kaya namang palagpasin, don't make a big deal out of it and create an issue na hindi naman worth it. Forgive them for not being the person you wanted them to be and just appreciate them for becoming the person that you need. Forgive them for not giving you all the things you think you deserve and just appreciate them for loving you the best way they know how. Madaming tao ang naghahanap ng taong magmamahal sa kanila, katulad ng pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Kaya kung meron man siyang pagkukulang, patawarin mo na. Tandaan mo, out of 10, isa lang ang kamalian niya sa 9 na tama na ginawa niya kasi mahal ka niya. You want your relationship to last longer, to last forever? Forgive each other and choose to work on your differences together. Okay? Second thing you have to keep in mind to make your relationship last longer is to listen. You need to make it a constant part ng relationship ninyo. Listening to each other. Make sure na both of you are going to be heard. Hindi lang sa alitan o diskusyon but as well as sa everyday experiences. You think you are having a bad day and feel the need to rant or maglabas ng sama ng loob, then go ahead by all means. Pero pagkatapos mo, you need to ask them as well how their day went. Kasi kaya minsan hindi na nagsasabi sa iyo yung partner mo kasi lagi na lang ikaw ang may kwento. Lagi na lang ikaw ang may pinagdadaanan. So instead of adding another load sa iyo, they tend to keep it sa mga sarili na lang nila to the point na hindi na nila kinakaya at mas pinipili na lang nila na mag-unload ng nararamdaman nila sa iba. If you practice listening to one another, my love, you will learn a lot more sa partner ninyo. You will understand them better and you will be able to learn how to handle their bad days better. You will be surprised how many arguments you can save by just listening sa partner mo. Di lahat ng tao, my love, bingi sa pagkakamali. May iba lang nasawa ng tumanggap mula sa taong di naman marunong makinig. So if you wanna be listened to, then learn to listen as well. Okay? Love, hinga muna tayo sa breakup proofing ng relasyon at mag-focus muna tayo dun sa wasak na. Dead joke. Ito na ang ating Byahe Sender of the night. Ayan, this one ay mula naman sa ating text line na 0917-851-4329. This one ay mula sa isang no-namer. Kaya tatawagin natin siyang Linda. Ayan, ayaw niyo magbigay ng name babansagan ko kayo. Anyway, ito ang kanyang biyahe. Good evening po, DJ Lala. May gusto po sana akong itanong. Tama po ba ang desisyon ko na makipaghiwalay sa boyfriend ko dahil pakiramdam ko hindi na niya ako sinusunod? Binabaliwala niya lang yung pakiramdam ko kapag nagsasabi ako sa kanya ng sama ng loob. Nagagalit po kasi ako dahil inom siya ng inom ng alak na siyang nakasanayan na niya. Nung una, ipinakita niya sa akin na nagbago na siya pero ngayon, unti-unti siyang bumabalik sa dating siya. Sana po mabigyan niyo ako ng advice. Ayan. So, hi Linda. Ayan, di mo yan pangalan. Bala ka, ayaw mo mag-send. Hi Linda. Well, your question is a bit tricky. Yan. If you feel like nakahinga ka na ng maluwag kasi finally you are free from a relationship with someone na inom ng inom, edi tama ang desisyon mo, di ba? But if nakipag-break ka lang in order to make a point, that's when mali ang naging desisyon mo. I'll tell you why. 1. Sa linyang hindi na niya ako sinusunod. Love that is your partner. Hindi mo siya empleyado at hindi ka niya amo. Though your intentions are good, yung tono na ginagamit mo para iparating yun sa kanya ay mali. No one should make him do things. Pwede mo siyang gabayan pero hindi mo siya dapat diktahan. 2. Sa mga linyang, inom kasi siya ng inom ng alak na nakasanayan na niya. Dati naman nagbago siya pero ngayon bumabalik na siya sa dati. Love, kapag ang isang gawain ay nakalakihan mo na, kinatandaan mo na, hindi siya ganun kadaling baguhin. All vices are like that. Lahat ng bisyo ay ganyan. Alak, yosi, sabong, sugal, mga addiction na will take time to fully change. If you think hindi ka ganun ka-patient to wait for that day na mabago niya yon with your help, then just leave. Hindi kasi yan kaya overnight eh. Hindi nga agad-agad in a year. Kung dati nagawa niya, ibig sabihin, andun yung intention. If bumalik sa dati, ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ng relapse. May nangyari na nag-udyok sa kanya to go back. Instead of hitting him harder, remind them how far they've gone sa effort nila para magbago before. This way, they will know na willing ka to help them recover again rather than slam sa faces nila how weak they were. Sa pagtatalak kasi ate, talaga minsan nanggagaling ang bulong ng stress to go back sa old habits. It offers them momentary silence and calmness mula sa pagtatalak mo. So Linda, again, if you feel good, stress-free after the breakup, then you did the right thing. If you think hindi mo kaya yung spending longer time to help him recover, again, you did the right thing. Otherwise, if ang nararamdaman mo lang ngayon ay pain and panghihinayang, then maybe you were wrong. But what's done is done. Nasa sayo kung ano yung gagawin mo next, okay? Just to be clear, ang tanong mo sa akin is kung tama o mali ba yung desisyon mo. But the next part after knowing it is all up to you. Hope it helps you, Linda. At syempre sa lahat ng mga kabisyo nating may pinagdadaanan na katulad din ng kay Linda. Ngayon, kung meron kang separate na pinagdadaanan, gusto mo ding gayahin si Linda at humingi ng payo, then all you have to do is send your problems over at my Facebook page, DJ Lala, or text me through 0917-851-4329. Huling bugso ng ating biyahe ngayong gabi, my love, before we make a full stop sa ating biyaheng pangmatagalan. Ito na ang last tip ko to make your relationship last longer. Be realistic. Some of you wants a fairy tale like Korean novela type TikTok trending couple kind of relationship, but that is not for everybody. Be realistic. Instead of looking for what you guys can be, focus on what you guys already have. If hindi siya showy, then try to understand yung language niya of love. If hindi siya yung planning the future type, then focus on your own future and try to find ways to get him involved one day at a time. If hindi siya yung dating and adventurous type to make memories with you, then find ways how to enjoy the comforts of home with your partner. Ang memories well spent ay hindi lang naman nakabase kung saan kayo napadpad, but how valuable each moment you've spent with one another are, regardless kung sa bahay lang yan. Be realistic. Do not let the person you have slip away just because you wanted a relationship that only lasts on screen, not on real life. What you have now will always be better if you'll exert effort for it to be. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me tonight. Maraming salamat po for sticking with me sa 3 hours of our show, and I hope nakakuha kayo ng tips on how to make your relationship stronger, happier, and longer. For now, I gotta go, my love, but if you wanna follow me sa aking mga socials, go ahead, DJ Lala Banderas on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Laika. Nakasama nyo ang aking programa. My name is DJ Lala, and this is Byahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso ng 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night, everybody. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye! Love you!
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.